Hi, my marvelous chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to cook something a bit out of my element, a duck breast. And believe me, it's quacktastic. Since this is a totally new cooking experience for me, I was really interested in tasting the true flavor of the duck meat. So all I used was good old salt and pepper. Straightforward and right down to business. With that said, let's start cooking. Prepare this duck like you would any other piece of meat. Pat it dry, bring it to room temperature, and coat both sides with salt and pepper. I was originally going to use olive oil to coat it, but decided after all that I didn't want to alter the taste and flavor profile of the duck meat at all. As I was researching how to prepare this, I was stunned to find out that duck isn't cooked like other poultry. It's cooked closer to wild game. Add the duck breast, skin side down, to a cold frying pan, and then bring it up to medium-high heat. You don't want to cook it on an already heated pan because it'll sear the skin and the fat quickly, and you won't really get to render that fat down properly. Once the skin has been properly browned, like so, flip it and cook for another couple minutes on the other side. You really are going to finish this in the oven at 400 degrees for 6 minutes. After the time is up, remove and let the cooked duck breast settle for a good 5 minutes so that the juices can evenly distribute. Notice that I didn't use any olive oil or any other kind of oil or butter to cook this, as the duck fat provided enough to cook it properly. Once the juices settle, slice the breast into pieces, like so, plate, and enjoy. I served this with smashed potatoes that I fried in the leftover duck fat, but unfortunately I don't show that in this video. However, I will post a link at the end of this to that video. It's a good way to make use of that delicious duck fat. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve upon it? Is there anything you would do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm truly grateful for all the love and support. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!